Using the 500-meter aperture spherical radio telescope, also dubbed as the China Sky Eye, scientists have identified over 500 new pulsars since October 2017. Pulsars, or fast-spinning neutron stars, originate from the imploded cores of massive dying stars through supernova explosions. Using FAST, scientists also detected a total of 1,652 independent bursts from a single repeating fast radio burst source, code-named FRB121102. Located in a karst depression in southwest China's Guizhou province, FAST started formal operation in January 2020. It is believed to be the world's most sensitive radio telescope.
FAST 的今年的这个科学成果的产出还是不错的，在脉冲星搜寻方面，2年都发现了500余颗脉冲星，在快速赛电暴啊，比如说这个星际磁场测量方面，今年取得了比较重要的成就的，有2篇在自然杂志发表，这代表了FAST 的这个科学产出啊达到世界一流标准。我们预计啊，FAST将会有一大批重要性。因为它的这个指标远远好于国外同类望远镜的水平。